Hello students, Master Cadre Subject English. This is the third part of our MCQ series. Let's start. Question 1. Dash is the smallest meaningful unit of language. Option A, the phoneme. B, the morpheme. C, the sentence. D, the phrase. The answer is B, the morpheme is the smallest meaningful unit of language. This is a very important MCQ. Question 2. An essay of dramatic poesy. An essay of dramatic poesy written by. Option Swift, Addison, Dryden, Johnson. The answer is option number C, Dryden. Question number 3. Pathetic fallacy. This is a term invented by John Ruskin. Stands for. Option A, strong feeling of pathos. B, attributing human feelings and actions to natural objects. Option number C, fallacy pathetically felt. The answer is B, attributing human feelings and actions to natural objects. Question number 4. The manuscript that Jane Austen revised into Pride and Prejudice, originally entitled. Option A, First Impression. Option B, Two Sisters. Option C, Love's Reward. Option D, A Fusion of Fancy. The answer is A, First Impression. Question number 5. Who was the first ever poet laureate? Options are Johnson, Dryden, Wordsworth, Swift. The answer is B, Dryden. Question number 6. Who coined the term comic epic in prose? Options are Hardy, Fielding, Richardson, Swift. The answer is B, Henry Fielding. Question number 7. In which of the following essays T.S. Eliot used the term objective correlative? Options are The Function of Criticism, The Frontiers of Criticism, Metaphysical Poets. Option D, Hamlet and His Problems. The answer is D, Hamlet and His Problems. Question number 8. Currer Bell was the pen name of. Options are Anne Bronte, Jane Austen, Mary Shelley, Charlotte Bronte. The answer is D, Charlotte Bronte. Pen name is Currer Bell. Question number 9. One of the powerful weapons of Jane Austen's narrative art is. Option A, verbosity. B, irony. C, magical realism. D, musicality. The answer is B, irony. Question 10th. A line of Alexandria verse has. Options are 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet. The answer is D, 6 feet. Question 11th. The term diaspora literally meaning. Options are migration, scattering, immigration, journey. The answer is B, scattering. Question 12th. In English, nouns are generally accented on. Options are the first syllable, second syllable, middle syllable, the last syllable. The answer is A, the first syllable. Question 13th. Noam Chomsky belonged to which country? Options are Russia, America, France, Mexico. The answer is B, America. Question 14th. A course in general linguistics written by whom? Here the general spelling is G-E-N-E-R-A-L. A course in general linguistics written by whom? Options are Noam Chomsky, John Donne, Jonathan Swift, Ferdinand de Saussure. The answer is D, Ferdinand de Saussure. Question number 15th. Rhyme scheme of Shakespearean sonnet is. Options are AB, AB, BC, BC, CD, CD, EE. Option B, AB, AB, CD, CD, EF, EF, GG. Option C, AB, AB, CD, CD, EF, EF, EE. Option D, AA, BB, CD, DC, FE, FE, GG. The answer is B, AB, AB, CD, CD, EF, EF, GG. Students, if you understand this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel Preparation with RJ. Also like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you.